You'll start to see smoke coming out in just a minute. Sometimes it's a little tricky to see. But again, I had a hose that came disconnected. And it's pretty stretched out. So we're going to try to reconnect that hose. See the smoke coming up? And it's kind of detoured going under the supercharger, but when we broke it down, now you can see that smoke coming in. Hopefully this video shows that. Anyhow, now we're going to replace that hose, and hopefully that solves my problem. I'll do an ECU reset and drive it, and we'll go from there.